drive influences how far you drive. Here's how to save fuel.
Be lighter on the pedal.
Plan your journey in advance.
Drive at a constant, efficient speed. Why are you looking at me?
Drive in the correct gear.
Always.
Bruh, do you mind? Sorry. Avoid over or under revving.
The aircon uses energy, so turn it off while the windows are down and ventilate the vehicle before you drive. Also, why are you complaining about my revving?
Inflate your tires to the correct pressure when your vehicle is fully loaded.
Combine several stops into one trip.
Using the correct oil ensures lower CO2 emissions.
Also, less drag saves more, so remove any unnecessary items from the vehicle.
Stay in the game with our car care tips. Visit vw.co.za for more.